Hey guys, so this is the ScooterShade. It's a really cool product, especially for these larger scooters that we just displayed. It could be set up as a canopy, just like this. It can easily come off. It's not heavy. It's not something you're gonna wanna put in the back of your car and stuff. It's adjustable. You still have your port back here for your bag, a basket, a walker holder, but it easily can convert to a full canopy. So if you're buying one of these scooters and you're gonna be outside a lot, you're really gonna like having the ScooterShade. There's really nothing on the market like it. We really enjoy having it, showing it to customers, people buying them. The ScooterShade by Movo. The ScooterShade, it works on the Pursuit 2. Check this out. And Justin, look at this. You still have a port to put your oxygen tank holder, basket, whatever you like. And if you need to remove it, because you don't need it, just loosen it here. Unstrap your two straps inside. This goes on the arms. It's back. Two hands. Pull it right off. You're ready to go. It actually, all it does is it plugs right into your receiver port at the back, and you can take it right off really fast. Here's an extra port for an oxygen tank holder, cane holder, whatever you need back there. Basket could go right into here. But people want to know if it fits on a power chair since it's called the ScooterShade. Well, here it is on a power wheelchair. This can come down. It's going to be a little bit further out for your full weatherproof.